Okay, so that's Remember by Jimi Hendrix from the first album, Are You Experienced? Jimi Hendrix Experience. So our intro here is going to go. So we have 4 and 5 on the G and B strings. We slide 2 frets up and back twice. And when we come back here, we're going to have a hammer-on pull-off. As we do the 4 and 5, we're going to bring in the 6 on the G string, hammer-on pull-off that, 7 on the D, 4 in the G, 4 in the D, so it's... And you could kind of hit that chord if you want. It says just 4 to 4 in the tab. Now we're going to go... So we're going to have a slide into the 9 on the A to the 7 on the D. And we're kind of sliding into this chord, 11, 9, 10. You could kind of look at it as like kind of hitting the lower notes first. So we're taking that 7, 9 and the 2 middle strings, sliding them up 2, and then we're going to add that 10 down here. So it's like, we're going to hit the whole chord there, D, D, and then take that down to those middle 7s. So it's, and then our last thing is like a slide into the 9 again to that 7 or maybe a chord there. Okay, then we get the, we're going to have the A with thumb bass. So once again, we got. Okay, you can do like a hammer there, you can like slide in and stuff like that. So we're gonna have bass, bass, chord. We go from the 7 to the 9 on the E string, quick one. Go to the A string 7, 9, 7, 9. So we got 3, 4. Okay, so that's our A riff. Go to E right here, 5th string, 7. We're going to slide the 9 to 11 on the A. Do that twice, go down to the D. Do that twice, back to A. Just once on the A that time, and then 2 E's. And then 2 A's to get it to the end of a whole cycle. You might do a little different one on that very last one to set up the new thing. So let's try all that together from that verse. 3, 4. Okay, so we end up doing 2 whole sets of that. Check out the free tab on this one. You can download it and everything. Let's look at that intro once again. But basically that whole verse thing just happens all the way through twice. Then we get to the solo. So the intro again is... We're into the A. And he starts singing right then. Okay, so one more time on that. We got right after the 1, it's like 1. Okay, so we're going to jump ahead to the solo. Right after that whole verse thing ends, and it does like the 1 A, 2 E's, and 2 A's again, we're going to get into a E power chord, or E major chord, E7 chord. We get into the solo there, okay? So we got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then we go 7, 6, 7 for the E7 and 2 and 3 and 4 and Okay, so that's our solo right there. We got. So we have little sevens. Then we're gonna have 6 and 7 hammering into the 8 of the G string there. So twice. Quick 8, 6, 4 in the G. Then we're gonna have a quick 4, 6, 4. 6 on the D. 4, 6, 4, 6, 8. 7 on the second to a hammer on, 7, 9. You wait a good little bit right there, and then you go. So we have a couple more of those 7 and 9. A lot of these things he's doing is like a quick hammer. Go to the 7 there on that third one, and the first two we kind of have a, together, and then there's a little space. Right, we're gonna have 8, 6, 4 on the G to 6 on the D. Then we have a 4, 6, 4 on the G. So we have that same type of thing there. We go do the 6 twice on that D. And then quick ones. 4, 6, 4, 6. 1, 6 at the end there. So let's review. We got. So here we're going to have a 7s into the 9 on the second. We have that 6, 7 thing into the 8 to the 9 on the D. So from the now we get into the bendy thing. We got. So we have a bend on the 9 on the G. 7, 7. Bend that 10 on the second. Little 7, 10, 7. Kind of hold the 9 a little on this time on the bend. 7, 7, 10, 7 on the second. So from the beginning we got. Now we're going to do a unison bend, 9 on the G with that 7 on the B. Okay, so it's kind of like a bend, and then a couple of these. And then kind of a bend and a 7, bend and a 7. It's another double 7 at the end of that measure. Then we have a bend on that 9 with a little 10. Like that. Then we have 9 and 9 on the G and E strings. Kind of listen to how they go back and forth. Then we're going to have. So we have a quick one, 7 to 8 on the G. Little 7s. And then that hammer on the second string. And you want to keep that real tall so you hear the string below. Back to the 7s. You got that 6, 7 thing with the 8 hammer on. Pull off. 9 again on the D. Got 2 of those things, and we do 1 more of these. Then we're gonna have 4, 6 on the D, and then 4 on the G, back to that 6 and back. 2, 4 to 6, 4 to 2 on the A. We're gonna go back to that bend riff. Okay, so let's do the whole solo here. We got. Now we changed keys when the solo started. So would it be like? Change to the key of B, we modulated. And also when it does that rhythm, sometimes it'll start doing it. We're gonna go to C after this as well for a new key. Sometimes it'll do the chord first and alternate with the bass. And then it kind of settles in. 9th fret, F sharp. 7th fret. Back to our B on the 7th fret of the E string. 5 chord, twice. 1 chord, twice. Okay, now that time actually when it goes to the... Just start chugging that D. We're going up to C. And this one will be a little different. It's going to... So just to mix it up, he adds a different riff instead of going... Keeping with that, he's going to go... Okay, so he slides into the 12 to the 10, hammers that 10 to 12, that 10 on the D. 5 chord, 10th fret, G, F, 8th fret, C, 5 chord twice, back to the 1. So that one kind of sticks with the riff. Then we're into this G right here. Keep chugging on that. There's gonna be a cool riff on there for an outro fill. Okay, so this is gonna be 3, 3, 3, 3. Slide to the 7 to the 5. Same kind of thing, 5, 7 to 5. 9 to 7. 9 to 8. 8 to 8, 10. So it's... 16 on the G to 15 below it. 15 to 17 to 15. Now a little quicker in the measure. We're going to go backwards on that second string. That's little 10s into 12. Keep that real tall, like I say. Kind of slide that one down. Wait a minute. 3s into 5 on the second. Back. And then you got 2 and 3 into the 4. A lot of these same shapes he uses all over the place, like Wind Cries Mary and stuff. So you got the 4 to 2 to 5. And then 2 more of those little hammers. So we got... All right, remember Jimi Hendrix, Are You Experienced album. Great stuff, 2 pages of tabs. Hope you dig it. Talk to you soon. Thanks.